Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the iTeleporter Metal. It comes with a quality matte black padded packaging. It has a nice iTeleporter logo and slogan on it. The padding is ultra thick to ensure the iTeleporter device is intact for any user across the globe. iTeleporter Metal is the same 2-in-1 GPS spoofing and charging dongle like the Mini V2, but the case is made of rotating heavy-duty protective metal. Getting started is straightforward and simple. You don't even need to jailbreak, access a computer, or install injected apps at any time during use. First of all, follow the quick start guide iTeleporter sends to every paid customer. Secondly, download the free Companion Enterprise app from the quick start guide. Lastly, connect this little device with your iOS device and open the Companion app. You're good to go. You can move the red pin to anywhere on the Earth, press the lock position button, and in a split second you can see the breezing blue circle representing your location on the entire iOS system teleport instantly. The GPS location applies to all of your iPhone apps. The Companion app is powerful. It can mock the movement of walking, biking, or driving with automatic routes from Google Maps to help you better enjoy the game. The app also has motion control and a virtual joystick. You can check the quick start guide provided by the developer to learn more about iTeleporter's advanced features. We've developed iTeleporter devices into two series, wired Lightning port series and wireless Bluetooth series. For more details and updates, visit www.iteleporter.tech. Happy teleporting!